Hey, what's up everyone? So, this is another travel content. So, apparently, naimbitahan kami ni Brian from Team Weekenders. Isang close na tropa yan. Punta tayo sa Almadeco Farm, Nature Farm Resort sa Batangas. So, and I'm gonna be with my grandparents, Lolo, Lola. Rian and Karen will be there as well. And pasyalan natin, tignan natin, maganda daw eh. And I heard they made it exclusive for us. So, makakatipid tayo ngayon ng biyahe kasi nilibre tayo. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! While on the way to Batangas, we decided to drop by Padre Pio Shrine since medyo maaga naman kami umalis. And we were planning to attend the Mass and afterwards go eat some Batangas lomi since andun na rin naman kami. So after 2-hour drive, we got to Padre Pio Shrine. It's in Santo Tomas, Batangas, by the way. So when you get there, sa parking area pa lang meron ng mga magtitinda sa inyo ng kandila that you have to light outside the church. It's mostly for your wishes, healing, thank yous, and whatnot. And it has different colors. So ayan, Mommy got her candles and she lighted it outside. So Padre Pio is already a national shrine. It's founded in June of 2003. It opened on the 2013, and yung structure niya, ang architectural style is vernacular, meaning heavily influenced by the locals, or Philippine style lang siya. And again, this is in Santo Tomas, Batangas, in Barangay San Pedro. So people flock here every 23rd of the month dahil yun yung healing mass around 9 o'clock and then 5 o'clock in the morning. So the healing liturgy follows after mass at 9 in the morning and then 5 in the afternoon. After reading the gospel followed by a brief homily, prayer for healing of the sick comes first, and second, class relics of Saint Padre Pio are exposed to be venerated by the pilgrims. So, binibless din yung mga relics ni Padre Pio during that mass. At this point, since pandemic pa rin, hindi nasusunod yung ganong klaseng healing mass. But according to the father, nung umattend ako the last time, by 2023, if mag-okay na, they will go back to the regular way of doing the healing mass. Yung may binibless talaga, yung malapitan. So hopefully maging okay na by 2023. So after we got to attend the mass, obviously since andun na rin naman kami sa Batangas, bakit hindi kami maglomi Batangas, diba? So ayan, the lomihan there are just strategically placed in the parking lot. So before you can even go home, should I say, andyan lahat ng mga tindahan sa may parking area. So very good strategy there. So ayan, lomi muna tayo, guys. Nandito kami sa labas ng Padre Pio Shrine. Siyempre, hindi namin pwedeng hindi tikman yung mga Bili kasi ng Batangas. Yan, magano kami. Batangas Lomi at saka Chami. Grabe, init.
Chami.
Chami. Lomi. So that Lomi is good for 2. Sa natatandaan ko, that's only for 85 pesos. Typically, lahat ng large size nila is good for 2. Yan, umorder kami ng Lomi and then we also had Chami. Hindi ko mapaliwanag yung Chami pero para rin siyang Lomi na wala lang sabaw. Pero mas matamis ang Chami. And good for 2 din yan. Less than 100 pesos lang. Murang-mura. Very affordable. After the Lomi, after the Mass, we headed to Almadeco na. It's another 1-hour drive. Actually, kung hindi kami dumaan ng Padre Pio, mas malapit lang. Pero since nandun kami sa Santo Tomas, Batangas, medyo another 1 hour sa loob kami dumaan. Medyo pinaikot-ikot kami as usual ni Waze. Pagdating namin doon, medyo sinundo kami nila Ate Angel. Papasok sa another 5-minute drive sa isang field na punong-puno ng sugarcane. Ayan o. Grabe, ang ganda ng area. Yan, papasok. And finally, we got to Almadeco Farm and Resort. Okay, so after a 3-hour drive from Manila, andito na kami sa Almadeco. Almadeco is still part of Lipa. Parang area siya ng San Rafael. San Rafael, Batangas daw. Pero again, part pa rin siya ng Lipa. So initial reaction ko dito sa Almadeco, this is definitely a quiet place. Kita nyo naman, daanan pa lang kanina. Puro tubuhan na, palayan. Malayo sa civilization, so definitely a good place to go to if you wanted to do a quick escape from the noises of the city. So itong receiving area nila, ayun, medyo marami pang ginagawa eh. So as you can see, may mga buhangin pa. Ayan, itong parking area nila. Just look at that. Trees all around. So, yan, pasal tayo dito. Okay, so this time, punta tayo sa pool. Let's go. Ganda ng pool. Ganda oh. May kabayo ba sila? Wala. Nag-feed sila. Ayan na sila. Wala kayo kanina pa? Hello! Ayan. Ayan pa pape. Bili na natin.
Abot na.
Meron nga. Ang ganda nga ng ano. Ang dami niyang baboy. Ang gandang negosyo niyan dito. Kambing. Halo-halo nga. Ano yung pool area nila?
There's nothing we lack. There's nothing deeper than my love to you. 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 No stone weighs more than my love to you.
Kain na daw. Ito isa sa gusto ko sa probinsya. Yung amoy. Yung amoy ng sigang tuyong dahon. Yung nagsisiga sila dito. Oh. Kain na daw.
6.5 hours later.
Holy shit, I just woke up. Sobrang pagod. Tangin na. Asa na kaya sila? Ayun. Nag-iinuman na. So ito, gabi. Alas 11 na ako nagising. Sobrang pagod. Pakita ko sa inyo yung gabi. Hindi ko na masyado kayo maikot kasi madilim na talaga. So medyo nakakatakot. Mahirap naman. Gusto ko may pakita kayo dito. Gusto kong may maipakita sa inyo dito. Tapos ako naman yung may nakita. So, delikado na. Alam niyo na. Hindi natin kabisado ang lugar.
Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have
Tapos, umiinom tayo, tapos may nakalagay sa ibabaw, Christ Divine Mission Church. Tapos sa baba dito inuman. Let's make it official, Bray. Ah. Ay, wait lang. Ikot ko lang ito. Inom ako. Kaya nga ayaw ko masyadong mag-ikot-ikot. Gusto ko lang dito lang sa may ilaw. So, ito yung... Doon yung pool ulit. Kinakatay sila doon. Ayan, sige, bukas ulit ang umaga.
Less creepy pag gagaling dito.
Tapos sumampa dun sa may
Ay, shit.
Sa hood,
Oo,
no?
sa babaw. Teka lang, titignan natin mamaya kung mangyayari yan. Saglit.
Kung may orbs.
Ha? Ano bang gusto mo, madam?
Ayoko.
Yung ganito? Wait lang.
Kung binubuksan. Ay, sakit yan. Hindi natin makita.
Gusto mo ba?
invite ko pa rin.
Pero sobrang dilim, no?
Oo. Ano yung bago sa inyo? Yung kulay-kulay mata?
What?
Oo, yan.
Kami nga sa bahay ko yung
Ano kaya ba? Kana. Alam mo yung bahay na may puno naman. Ang ngayon hindi maganda.
Bakit hindi mo ba?
Kaya ko rin.
Kasing ko tuloy pa rin yung inuman. Inuman pa. Siyempre, bakasyon. Kasama inuman dito, no? Ano to? Tulog lang.
75 years later.
Ayun. Good morning. Salamat sa Alfonso, Red Horse, at saka Gin. Diyos ko po. Sakit na naman na ulo ko. So, as you can see, it was definitely a good spot to chill sa gabi dito. I like the lights. Tapos talagang tahimik lang. Wala kayong maririnig na kahit ano at all. So, good private place. Well, the place needs a little renovation, I should say. I think they're doing some construction naman. So, once ma-perfect nila yung renovation dito, definitely I'll give it a perfect 10 out of 10. So yun, but right now it's just okay. The place is okay. 3-hour escape away from Manila. I'd say it's definitely worth it. So ayun. Hindi lang worth yung yung paghaluin mo yung Alfonso, Red Horse at Gin sa ulo. Sakit. So yun. Good morning. So ayan. Magandang umaga. Ayan. So sana nakatulog na kayo. Ako hindi pa. So this is what it looks like. What it looks like. Umaga. You really have to travel when you have a chance, especially with the people you care about, your family, your friends. They always say you only live once, and that's true. Hindi kahabang. We only have one life, and we only have that certain time in our lives when we can travel. There's definitely a time when everything's just gonna slow down. You couldn't travel anymore. You couldn't spend time with them anymore. So spend quality time, travel with those people you care about as much as you can. And maganda lang kasi, there's really a lot of places, even here in the Philippines, na talagang nabibigay yung ganong klaseng experience. So, again, thank you for Team Weekenders, to Brian. Alam mo, sobrang sarap nung experience. Hindi ko na vlog yung actual mga usapan namin. We've talked about a lot about life, and it's always nice to spend time with everyone from Team Weekenders. And also, there's obviously ang mga anak namin nandun din. Well, silently, hindi lang namin napapakita, pero they had their own drinking sessions too. Yes, we allow them with our guidance, of course. So again, if you have the chance, travel, travel, and travel. It's an investment for yourself. Every time I come back from a travel, parang akong may restart button na hindi ko alam kung saan nakalagay. Pagbalik ko, after that, I feel like a brand new person. I think I have renewed everything. Parang, makes me more motivated to keep on going, to keep on working hard, because if we aren't working hard, we won't be able to experience such beautiful travels like this. So, work hard, but also travel. You're not just there, you're not working just to pay bills. You also need to treat yourself, pamper yourself, and travel and experience the world when you can. So sa mga nakasama ko sa biyahe na to my family and friends, thank you always for inviting me, for having me, and for coming with me to some of my travels too. And sa mga bago dito, please, if you can subscribe, follow me. I definitely appreciate it. Thank you, everyone. Let's all have a great day. Goodbye.